Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rizla Ersa Romadhia as the third speaker. Will be explain about the literature review writing. So according to Creswell in Solis Diarin 2013 states that there are 5 steps in conducting a literature review. The first one is identify keyword used in literature research searches. Second, find literature on topic by consulting a variety of materials and databases, including those available in academic libraries and on the internet. Third, critically evaluate and select literature for review. 4. Organize the literature you have selected by abstracting or taking notes from the literature and developing a visual diagram of it. And the last one is write a literature review by reporting literature summary for inclusion in your research report. And according to Margono, in other side, explain that to get to know the literature or data resource that can be used as a reference, there are basic standards that must be considered by researchers as follows. The first one is studying what results have been obtained by other people in the relevant research field. And the second is study the research methods that have been used, including sampling methods, data collection methods, data source, unit of measure, and criteria. And third, collect data from other available sources related to the research project to be carried out. The fourth is studying descriptive and historical factors that exist and are the background of the future problem. And the last one is studying deductive analysis of problems that have been done by others. So after finding the relevant literature, the next step in the literature review is process to develop arguments. This step is planning step where researchers are required to develop arguments through 2 stages, namely conducting a survey of various literatures that have been collected and then critiquing it. And the 2 types of arguments to develop are, the first one is argument of discovery and arguments of support. And the next step is to conduct like the first one is argument of discovery is developing findings to describe what researchers currently know about the research area of interest. And the second one is arguments of support. This is analyzing and critiquing the knowledge obtained from the development of finding argument in order to answer research problems. So the next step is to conduct a survey and critique of the literature based on the 2 kinds of argument that we have developed previously. This is done to review the various existing literature related to our research topic. So to carry out a critical assessment of each literature to analyze its content, which includes the important elements in each research, namely the first one is background, objective, research problem, and then samples, methodology, key findings, and conclusion, recommendation, and etc. So it is all about my explanation. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.